So I did some looking on Amazon and came across this one from a company called SIHOO. I think that's how you say it. To be honest, I've never heard of them, but it has over 14,000 reviews at 4.4 stars. I'm not gonna lie, I was skeptical because when it comes to things like this, when it comes to office chairs, you really do get what you pay for. And considering the price of this, I just wasn't expecting much. Setting it up was fairly easy. They provide all of the screws and tools you need. I got it done in around 15 minutes. The quality of the material surprised me though, in a good way. It's mostly made from aluminium alloy with a mix of hard plastic. The back has a mesh material and there's a headrest, which is nice to see. The seat itself is a cushion. It's not super soft, but I think that's actually a pretty good thing, as I like my butt having some support. There are adjustable armrests too, which again was a surprise to see a chair for this price. What's pretty neat is that you can sit back to angle the chair and then lock it into place. Ideal for moments for when you need to sit up and focus when you're working, or if you want to lean back to read something or watch something on the screen. I'm very, very impressed by this chair. For the price, I think it was well worth it. However, I've only briefly tested it. Obviously, I haven't been sitting in it for months. So it'll be interesting to see what this is like over extended use, what it's like over a few years, because obviously office chairs aren't something you change regularly. When you buy one, you do usually use it for a few years. But other than that, for now, I'm actually very, very impressed. I think for the price, for what it goes for, it seems actually very good value for money.